Exhaust side, that means the locating pins are there and there toward the intake side. Okay, on the Wassenaar kit, letters up. There's the N. Hopefully it'll be in focus. Exhaust side. I'm going to put the bottom one on first. There's the locating pin notch right there. You can sort of see it. So that ring will squeeze in right there. The upper ring, and the letter is up. Okay, and there's the locating pin. There's the letter on the bottom one, you can sort of see it right there. They're facing, that one's still facing up. It's good to double check. Where's my locating pin? There it is. Okay. Circle one always goes on a little bit easier. It's far to go. Okay, there's that. Okie doke. Now, exhaust side, arrow goes toward the exhaust. There's the arrow. And so we're going to squeeze this first one like so. Yeah, just squeeze the second one at the same time. I don't know if I can do that though. Keep them both held in place. Perhaps it can be done. Okay. Slides down pretty smooth, slides up pretty smooth. There's smooth action, no binding. We're going to put this, we're going to set the piston just, I'm going to try to set it where it looks like it's pretty much straight across. Got the wrist pin clip in the far side, which is on the opposite side of the bike. I'll be working on there. So then I'll just slide the wrist pin in on this side. Can't forget this bearing. Okay, and apparently the GasGas and the Honda share this wrist pin bearing. I don't know what model it's off of, but I heard this many times, so it doesn't come as any surprise to me. So I'm going to drop the wrist pin bearing in the oil. Make sure the wrist pin's all lubed up. Inside doesn't need to be lubed, but the outside does. Okay. I got ahead of myself there, didn't I? Okay, so this is a torque wrench adapter from Pit Posse. It's actually a 13 millimeter, even though it says it's a 12 millimeter. Had to grind it down around these edges to make sure it doesn't, or make sure it fits and gets around the nuts on these 13 millimeters. So the important thing is not just grind it down here, but to try to grind it all the way around, so that as you're torquing, the sides don't jam against the sides of the cylinder and give you a false tightness, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm just running these all down by hand, just in a crisscross pattern here before we torque them. Adjust the 4 nuts at the foot of the cylinder in diagonal pairs. Tighten the torque 25 Newton meters. Okay, don't have to make any calculation adjustments if this is a 90-degree angle here. So I'm just going to snug. Go a little ways each time. Okay. Make sure that's going to clear. "25 Newton meters isn't very much." Like, there it is. Cylinder head screws, 25 Newton meter cylinder nut. That's what we just did, 25 Newton meters also. Okay. And I'd like to see, there's a torque specs one here. GasGas website. Cylinder head, 25 Newton meters. Cylinder base, 34 Newton meters.